To reverse a clip in DaVinci Resolve, there are two very simple methods you can use. Start by making sure your clip is already placed in the timeline. The first and easiest method is to right-click on the clip and choose Real-Time Controls. This will show the speed settings right above the clip in the timeline. Look at the bottom of the clip where it shows the speed percentage. There will be a small down arrow next to it. Click on that arrow. A small menu will open. From here, click on Reverse Segment. That's it. Your clip is now playing in reverse. If you want more control over how the reverse works, you can use the second method. Right-click on your clip again, and this time select Change Clip Speed. A window will pop up. To reverse the clip, you can either check the box that says Reverse Speed, or you can manually enter a custom value in negative. For example, if you set the speed to -50, the clip will play in reverse at 50% speed. If you set it to -150, the clip will reverse at 150% speed. Once you choose your setting, click on Change. Now your clip is reversed with your selected speed. That's how you reverse a clip in DaVinci Resolve.